I think I'll take some flowers and a couple extra hours to tell him all about my little life. Well, I'm going down to Robert's place, it's there for me. I don't know if he will recognize my face. It's gotten older and I've got more on my shoulders, but I still hold on to his pretty eyes. And I know, yes I know he won't hear me, he's just bones, but it makes me feel much better to know he might care at all. And I see, yes I see that he's 6 feet under me, but sometimes I hope he's down low. Well, I'm going down to Robert's place, it's more than overgrown, but I swear I'll make it look real nice. Just a little weeding and a sprinkle of grass seeds and flowers in the colors that he likes. Well, I'm going down to Robert's place with my favorite guitar, and I'll play him the songs I wrote last week. And he might not sing along, and it might just take too long, but he knows how to make a boy feel seen. And I know, yes I know he won't hear me, he's just bones, but it makes me feel much better to know he might care at all. And I see, yes I see that he's 6 feet under me, but sometimes I hope he's down the hall. Down to Robert's place, and I felt inner peace, the silence like a blanket over me. And I saw the little tree for once without its pretty leaves. Well, I enjoyed my father's company. Well, I went on down to Robert's place, and I showed him the song, and it about reduced me down to trees. And I sat, but not for long, chill brought winter on, but I want him to know that I'm still here. And I know, yes I know he won't hear me, he's just bones, but it makes me feel much better to know he might care at all. And I see, yes I see that he's 6 feet under me, but sometimes I hope he's down the hall. Well, I went on down to Robert's place, it's been a couple years, not sure when the days all came and went. And I know he won't turn, but if there's one thing that I've learned, a day with him's a day that's better spent. Well, I went on down to Robert's place and saw a few new graves. Strange how even this old place can change, with more modern epitaphs and even greener looking grass. Why we have to lose, it's such a shame. And I know, yes I know he won't hear me, he's just bones, but it makes me feel much better to know he might care at all. And I see, yes I see that he's 6 feet under me, but sometimes I hope he is down the hall. Someday I'll go down to Robert's place because I'm passing through, and it would be the proper thing to do. And I'll tell him how I've grown and how I'm living on my own.